Hourly planning. The DFCK3 module allows the planning of timetables. If the module is in the modules list, click on the pointer on the right to see the points list, which includes 15 independent time slots. It is absolutely necessary to give a name to the ID point in order to proceed, for example, irrigation. Press the Home icon to go back to the splash screen, and in the toolbar on the bottom of the screen, press the Programmer icon. Select a specific time slot, in this case, irrigation. The page of the hourly planning, irrigation, will be shown. Type the time at which you want it to turn on or off, in one or all of the 4 available time slots. On the left of every time slot, there is a button which enables or disables that time slot. On the upper part, you will find the Auto, On, Off buttons and the days of the week. It is possible to copy the time slots with the Copy icon. In order to use the hourly planning, it is necessary to associate the programmed zone with an output relay that will control its consumption. Proceed as follows. In the splash screen, select the Settings icon and then the Modules icon. Then choose the module that you want to set by clicking on the pointer on the right of the module. Then click on the Settings icon of the output that you want to set. In the Equations list, click on the Settings icon of the output that you want to set. Select Output equal Input. From the Input Points list, select the time slot that will control the output. Select Output equal Input again. The input point will move up to the beginning of the list and will turn gray in order to indicate that it has been used. The icon associated with the type of the selected action will be shown. Press the Equations icon and, if necessary, repeat the same procedure for other controls. At the end of the Equations page, proceed to the programming of the module by clicking on the Programming icon. The Start and Stop buttons will appear. Press Start and wait for the completion of the operation, which will take a few seconds.